how to make it.
Say, hey everyone.
Hey, everyone.
Say, hey, what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? Say your name.
Your name's Kitty.
Kadir. This is my beautiful, handsome, young king nephew, Kadir. Wave to the camera. Oops. Wave to the camera, Kadir. Tell them what we're going to be making today.
Making the popsicles.
We are making grape popsicles. Purple popsicles is what he calls them because he said he wanted some popsicles, right? So we are going to make popsicles. We have our grapes, our agave nectar. We have, of course, some crystal geyser water. We have some key lime juice. We have our popsicle molds. And we have our popsicle sticks. And we have our Ninja that we're going to be using, right? So we're going to use about a cup of grapes. And then we're going to use some agave. I'm not going to measure the agave, not going to measure the water. So we're going to cut up the grapes. And we're going to blend everything in the Ninja. See the consistency, do some taste tests, and then we're going to pour them into our molds and let them freeze. Okay, Katie? Okay. So first we're going to wash the grapes, right? We're going to use our colander. We're going to wash the grapes. Let's measure out. We need about a cup. And a cup should make about 3 popsicles. Be careful. A cup should make about 3 popsicles.
3 popsicles.
So we're going to take some out. And then we're going to need a few pieces to have in the popsicle. We're going to dice a few pieces and have them just as grape pieces. Grape pieces in the popsicle. And then you're going to eat it and it's going to be good, right? Right. So let's run some water. Here, do like this. Make sure you rinse the grapes real good. You can actually use the spring water to rinse the grapes as well. If you don't want to use tap water, you can just pour some spring water over there just as you would with tap water. I think that's what we'll do now. Let's pour some of this water over here, okay? Give it a nice clean.
What we do next?
What we do next? He said what we do next. So next we're going to measure out the grapes. So we need 1 cup, right? We need to come right here. 1 cup, okay? So let's take the grapes and we're going to pull them apart and we're going to put them in this cup, okay? So let's take some like that. Pull them apart off the vine. Be careful. Put them in the cup. We need, how many grapes we need? 1 cup. Okay? All right, keep pulling. You can't help me. You want popsicles, right? All right, so. It's going to be sweet. It's going to taste real good. Are you excited to make popsicles?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, you gonna tell Mommy we make popsicles? Yeah. You gonna tell Poppy?
Tell Poppy.
Yeah, who else you gonna tell?
Daddy.
Tell Daddy? Yeah. Tell Gigi. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, okay? I'm gonna put it on YouTube. This is the Blippi show you watch. For all the kids out there, the mothers and the fathers, and the caretakers. Blippi is the shiznai. And we got about a cup of grapes.
Okay.
We're going to eat some in the process. Hold on. You want some? You want to eat some? No? I don't want some. It's got seeds in it too, so be careful. Oh, I forgot to mention, these are seeded grapes. Particularly, I always get red globe grapes because red globe grapes, we put them in. Red globe grapes come seeded. So if you're looking for seeded red grapes, I think they sell them at Harris Teeter, and you can find them in your international markets. Okay, that's enough grapes. Let's put those in here. We'll save those for the side. So what we got? We got a cup of grapes?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's next?
What's next? Good question. We're going to put the grapes in the Ninja. We're going to put the grapes right here. We're going to blend them. And then we're going to put in some water. Okay?
What's on the water?
Yeah, so you're going to help me. KD is on a step stool because he is a little one, but he's tall for his age. So we're going to put this inside of here. So
Okay. Now you need the water.
yeah, so put those grapes inside of here. Good job. And then we are going to put some water in our Ninja. Some Crystal Geyser. Let's put this over here so everyone can see. So we have our grapes right here. We're going to put a little bit of water in there. Depending on the consistency you want your popsicles at. Some might like them thick and creamy. Some might not like them that creamy. So we're going to test out the consistency with a little bit of water. I probably add about a quarter cup of water. He likes this part because we get to push the button, right? We're going to push number 3. Give us a second, guys. 3, push. And because the mixture has seeds, you want to make sure that you are going to strain the seeds out and that your mixture is seedless unless you want to eat seeded popsicles. So now we are going to put, huh?
Look at that.
Look at that. Whoa. So now we're going to add some agave nectar to the mixture. Say agave nectar. Yes. And KD said he wants some sweet, so do I. So I don't know how much agave I just added, but if I had to guess, I would say it's probably around a quarter cup. What's up? We'll add some lime juice. Here. Okay. Let's see if we can pan the camera around so you guys can see a little bit more of what we're doing over here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Is that working? Alrighty. They're working. Okay. We're going to put the top back on and we're going to hit 3 again. Push 3 and blend this sucker up. Push it real good. Okay, let's taste this, see how sweet it is, and if we need to do this again. You try. I thought you wanted, hey, we're on camera now, you gotta try. That's good. That's real good. So then we're gonna put them in here, and then they're gonna go into the freezer, and then they're gonna make popsicles, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's get down, and you come over here. I don't know how you're not gonna want to taste your own mixture. That's crazy, cray. So we're going to strain the mixture. What? You're so funny. And those actual grape pieces that you strain out, you can just use, and you can make the popsicles with those extra pieces. Okay? So let's come back up here. Okay, sorry about all the painting of the camera. Please excuse what's going on up in here. And the kitchen is a little bit under construction, so don't be clowning me. Okay, so what we're doing right now, see that, Kadir? We are straining out the grape juice from the seeds and the actual grape skin. And yes, we're going to pour it in the popsicle mode. So this is a great activity to do with kids, especially in the summer, especially during Corona when they could be getting on your last nerve. To do activities like this, actual science projects. Kids love science projects. I know Kadir loves science projects because he's a future scientist like his Titi. I know what he's talking about right now. What are you talking about, Kadir?
Mommy.
He's talking about his mom. You want to make a popsicle for mommy? We'll think about that. She left the party. Okay, so the juice is strained. This is how it's coming out, looking a little palish pink, light purple tint. It really tastes good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pour it in the popsicle mode, but first we're going to get out some of the grape skin from inside the strainer, and we're going to put it back into what we already strained. You know what? It's looking to be more complicated than I thought because I don't want to get any seeds. So let me do this real quick, Kadir. Stick with this, everyone out there in the universe. Kadir, tell them what you've been doing all day. What you been doing? You help Titi water the plants. You like that? The flowers needed it? I know, right?
Yeah, that's a big flower.
The big flowers. Tell everybody how old you are. You know how old you are. 4? Yeah. Big boy. Big things. Okay, so I'm going to cut some more of the grapes up because I don't feel like picking through that grape skin. So we'll just use the grapes that we washed off. And we're going to cut a little bit of them, okay, Kadir? We're going to take about 4 or 5 grapes and we're going to cut the skins off of them. Yep, that's good. And we're going to cut the skin, okay? So you guys take the grapes and we're just going to cut the skin, take the seeds out, and the extra skin that we're going to use, like I said, we're going to put that into the popsicles. Okay? So you go ahead and put those skins into, they'll come out like this. Go ahead and put those skins in here, Kadir. See these right here? The ones that I cut? These, put them in there.
Okay.
You're such a great helper. Thank you. Watch your hand, okay? Go ahead and put that in there.
Okay.
Another one. You having fun? Okay. Are you gonna eat these popsicles?
Wait a minute.
When we finish making them, are you gonna eat them? Yeah. Okay. Here. Put that in there. Put that one in there. Here, I'll get you some more. Titi has to cut the seed out. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, so we're going to mix this up. We have some of the seeds, or not the seeds, but the skin in here. Mix it up. It's about time for us to pour into our mold. Mold. Can you say popsicle mold?
Popsicle mold.
Popsicle mold.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sorry, that's not working. So we'll have to pan the camera down. So we have our popsicle mix, and then we're going to pour in. Give me 1 second so I can try to finesse this. Yeah, let's try to do that way. Hey, there. Give me a sec, okay? Okay, that's much better. I promise you it gets better every time. So, yes, let's pour it in. Hands. Okay. 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 How many do we have so far?
I had 10.
This is 4.
This is 4.
4. 5.
That's for 5.
5.
Yeah, 5.
And 6. This should be our last one.
6.
Oh no, we got one more. 7. That's a baby one. The kitty one, that's gonna be for you. I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's show everybody what we got. We have our popsicle molds filled. We have 6 filled, and we have a baby one. What's this? We need these? What are these? Popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks. Yes, you said it right. So let me get some out for you. How many do we need? Tell me how many we need. How many do we need? Count those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And what about this one? 7.
7.
Yes, so we need 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is TT's favorite number.
Okay.
So you could go ahead and stick it right in the middle of the popsicle.
Okay.
And then it's going to freeze. Okay, so you put it just like that and tilt it. They more than likely won't let you stick them directly in the middle unless you have those type of molds. So you have to stick them to the back, and just know that when they freeze over, your stick will not be directly in the middle, but that's up to the K. So, ooh, okay, I'll let you do the other ones. Go ahead and do these 2. Okay, so our mixture for our popsicles is complete. Thank you to my little helper, KD. KD, say, see you later, alligator.
See you, alligator.
After a while, crocodile. And say, you have just been cooking in the kitchen with a chemist. With the chemist. See you later. Peace out. Say peace.
Peace.